Say good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
This is my awesome housekeeper and cook. Her name is Mo. And today Mo is teaching me how to make Massaman Chicken Curry. Yes. She is cooking. She is cutting up her potatoes, and it takes me forever and a day to cut up, or actually peel potatoes, but I just finished that. So she's cutting them up, and then we're going to be cutting up the chicken. And then what else do? We cut onions.
Yeah.
Do onions, and then we have some coconut milk here, and then we also have some Massaman curry paste in the packet, and we already have some rice boiling or getting ready to boil here, so it will be a process. So I like learning how to cook, and I appreciate that Mo's helping me today.
Chicken that's Thai cooking. This may be of the
Okay.
Muslim restaurant of the flat.
Yeah.
Yes, or the whole eat this better.
It's better. Bigger chunks. Okay. And we have our onion here.
Yes, only at the half.
And we cut. Ah, okay. Nice big chunks of onion. Smells good. Okay, add in the potatoes to our curry chicken mixture.
Massaman. 10%
There's a lot there. I'll have
Maybe
to.
you put the fridge.
Yes, I'll freeze. Yes, for sure. That'll be good.
Let's put coconut.
Adding our coconut milk. Okay, so we just added the coconut milk, and then we add the onion and the cashew nuts. And we just added 2 packages of stevia because I don't have regular sugar in the house as of yet. I haven't really stocked this house with a lot of items because I haven't been really cooking here. So we'll see how that goes. I'm sure it will give a little bit of sweetness to the massaman that we're looking for. And we have our rice, and it looks like our rice might be almost done. All right, so that concludes our little cooking experience today with Mo. That was wonderful. So I guess I'll call this series Cooking with Mo. How about that? It's fantastic. I'm so glad she offered to help me learn how to do some of this cooking. And I just want to show you again our creation today of Massaman Chicken Curry with some cashew nut thrown in. Okay, so here you go. And there. So we got chicken, coconut milk, cashews, onions, potatoes, a little bit of water, salt, and some sweetener to taste. And we have our jasmine rice that we will serve this chicken Massaman curry over. And one thing, again, what I'm missing in here is a stick of cinnamon, because that would have added a little bit more flavor to it. And you can use cashew nuts or you can use peanuts, and I did not have the right type of peanut. So we're gonna sample. It looks delicious. Okay, let's see how it is. A little sample of this. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
So
Very good. It's good. Very good. Onions are perfectly done.
chicken salt.
And I was talking to Mo a little bit about kind of her life and things going on with her. And she said, you know, because of COVID, it really kind of has devastated her family. Her husband did not have work for the longest time. And she's just now kind of getting back into having some steady work herself, as she is a housekeeper slash personal cook. So I'm glad that I'm able to help her and her family by getting her over here. And you know what? She's a huge help to me. It's such a treat to not have to clean bathrooms anymore and clean my floors and things of that nature. She comes once a week for me. She takes care of everything for me. She charges 125 baht an hour. If you're interested in getting a great housekeeper, she's reliable. She comes on time every Tuesday for me at 8:30, and she speaks some decent English, and she can also message by Facebook Messenger as well. Some comments in the chat if you are interested in getting her to work for you. She is looking for work.